Hello guys, welcome to Himmel 356 quick math tutorial. Today I will show you how you can get the square of any number from 1 to 99 within 5 to 8 seconds by using nothing but your brain. So can you give me the answer of this question? What the square of 37? I am giving you 5 to 8 seconds. Let's try. So the answer is 1369. Those who got it right, congrats. And those who is still struggling, don't worry, I will show you a method which you can use to show your friend that you can do it too. So let's do it. So the square of 37 is 1369. So how can we get that? It's really simple. So we have 3 and 7. First we need to get the square of 7. So square of 7, 49. Then we need the square of 3. So square of 3, 9. Then we will multiply between them. So 3 into 7, 21. 21 into 2 equal to 42. 3 into 7 into 2, 42. Now let's get our answer. So there is 2 digit here, 4 and 9. We will get the rightmost digit. So 9. And 4 will be in our hand. We will add 4 with 42. So 46. Now we will get the rightmost from here too. So 6. Now we have 4 again in our hand. Let's pass the 4 to here. So 9 plus 4 equal to 13. So our final answer is 1369. If you are still confused, let's jump into another example. So what's the square of 83? The first step is square of 3, so 9. Square of 8, 64. Then multiply between them. So 8 into 3, 24. Then 24 into 2, 48. So 8 into 3 into 2, 48. Now let's get our answer. 9 from here. There is nothing in our hand because 0. So we will straight get the 8 from the middle value, 8. Now we have 4 in our hand. Let's add 4 with 64. So 68. So our final answer 6889. So our final example, our maximum value 99. Let's do it, friends. So square of 9, 81. Square of 9, 81. 9 into 9, 81 into 2, 162. So let's get our answer. 1 from here, 8 goes at the middle. So 162 plus 8, 170. Let's get the 0 from here. We have 17 in our hand. Let's add 17 with 81. So 98 is the answer. So add 98. So our final answer is 9801. If this was helpful to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you.